Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Girard GSWH-2 tankless water heater is not working at all, or not producing hot water, it can quickly become a major inconvenience, especially when you depend on it for daily use. Unlike traditional systems, tankless water heaters rely on proper water flow, gas supply, and ignition to function correctly, so even a small issue in any of these areas can stop the unit from working. What makes it challenging is that the heater may not always clearly show what's wrong, leaving you unsure where to start. Instead of assuming a serious fault, it's important to go through a structured check to identify the cause step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact process to troubleshoot and fix your Girard GSWH-2 tankless water heater so it can start working normally again. Try these. 1. Make sure the water supply is turned on and flowing properly through the system. 2. Check that the propane or gas supply valve is fully open. 3. Turn the unit off and then back on to reset the system. 4. Inspect the control panel for any error codes or warning indicators. 5. Ensure the air intake and exhaust vents are clean and not blocked. 6. Check all connections and wiring to confirm everything is secure.